Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart Body Hub. Today, we've got a quick and effective guide to mastering the perfect squat in just 1 minute. So, let's dive right in and get you on the fast track to squat success. First things first, get into position. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and let those toes gently point outward. Maintain that superhero posture with your back straight and your arms extended in front for balance. Now, picture this. You're settling into an invisible chair. Start by bending your knees and lowering those hips down toward the ground. It's crucial to keep those heels planted firmly on the floor and your weight evenly spread. As you're squatting down, aim to bring those thighs parallel to the ground. Keep that core engaged and don't let that chest droop. Remember, nailing the form is your ticket to incredible results while minimizing any risks of injuries. And there you have it. You've just nailed one perfect squat. Now take a moment to exhale and gracefully push through your heels to rise back up to your starting position. Congratulations, you're on your way to squatting like a pro. To supercharge your squat game, consider mixing it up. Play with your foot positioning, introduce some dumbbells into the mix, or even add a little jump for an extra challenge. Remember, it's all about starting slow and gradually dialing up the intensity as you build those muscles. By weaving squats into your fitness routine, you're not just toning your lower body, you're also building strength in your legs, glutes, and core. It's the ultimate win-win. We hope you found this quick and insightful fitness tip valuable. If it hit the mark for you, don't forget to show some love by hitting that thumbs up button. And of course, subscribe to Smart Body Hub for a regular dose of fitness tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next episode.